दिल तो पागल है, बच्चा भी है, दोनों ही हो गया, बच्चा भी है पागल भी है, और क्या है, दीवाना भी है। ठीक है, अपना अपना हिसाब है ना सारों का, इनका पागल है, उनका बच्चा है, उनका दीवाना है। गुड। क्वेश्चंस 19 to 22. Now we've got complete the sentences below. Okay. All right. Now questions and answers are going to be in order. So let's read. The length of time passengers spend. You will scan length of time, 2/3 or 1 hour, 3 hours, or like that. The length of time passengers spend shopping at airports has been affected by updated. Underline the word updated and listen carefully. In Ielts language, whenever you see the word updated in listening or reading, they might use the word updated, new, recent, updated, new, recent. Go to paragraph A. Look for the word recent, new, updated, recent, new, updated. Okay. Now, just see the context. The length of time passengers spend shopping at the airport has been affected by updated. All right, I'm reading paragraph A from the beginning. And usually, whenever you've got sentence completion, first question type or second or wherever, start looking for the answers from the first paragraph and then go on. I'm reading it. In recent times, now recent times cannot be the answer because they said, they said this thing here that updated dash. Now it cannot be updated times. So let's go on. Recent times, developing commercial revenues has become more challenging for airports due to a combination of factors such as increased competition from internet shopping, restrictions on certain sales such as tobacco, and new security procedures. They said revenue has become more challenging for airports due to the combination of factors such as increased competition from internet, shopping restrictions on certain sales such as tobacco, new security procedures that have had an impact on the dwell time of passengers. What is dwell time? The time passengers spend at the airport. So new security procedures. Now what will be the answer? Updated is already written and it's no more than 2 words. So you will not write, if you write new, updated, new security procedures, your answer will be wrong. So the right answer is security procedures. Okay, question number 20. Airports with a wide range of recreational facilities. Now recreational facilities, restaurants, bars, clubs and all that. Airports with a wide range of recreational facilities can become a dash for people rather than a means of travel. Like people go to the airport for dinner, for drinking, for eating, for enjoying and all that. So airports with a wide range of recreational facilities. Look for recreational facilities. Second paragraph. Okay, shopping mall. Can you see the facilities here? All right, everyone please come to paragraph B. Come to the second last line. At this stage of facilities provision, and before that they have mentioned shopping facilities and others. At this stage of stage of facilities provision, the airport also has the possibility of taking on the role of, underline taking on the role of, taking on the role of, and come back to the question, taking on the role of and can become. They are synonyms. Taking on the role of and can become. For example, he is taking on the role of my father, or he can become my father, something like that, right? Can become or taking on the role of, and what is after that? Taking on the role of final destination. So the answer is final destination. Just focus, can, become and taking on the role of. Final destination rather than merely a facilitator to access. Okay, now we've got question number 21. Both passengers and dash, very simple. Just go back, look for passengers, travelers, and whatever the word with that, may feel encouraged to use and develop a sense of loyalty towards airports. Both. Come to paragraph D and look for the word passengers. And then see what is with passengers. Paragraph D. Good. Retaining airlines and their passengers. So what will be the answer? Yeah. Now listen. Although it is no more than 2 words, but you will not write retaining. You will just airlines. Absolutely. Why? Because they have only mentioned passengers. Passengers and airlines. If you write passengers and retaining airlines may feel, that's grammatically wrong. So answer is airlines. It's not in order? It is in order. Yeah, A, B and D. Yeah, you're expecting A, B, C, D. Not like that. They are in order, but they can be A, C, D, F, like that. Okay, so let's go on. All the time you were worried it's not in order. हाँ आपने focus नहीं किया हमने क्या किया. All right. Now let's go on. Question number 22. Airports that supply meeting facilities may need to develop a dash over other venues. Airport that supply a meeting facility. Same paragraph. Airport that supply a meeting facility may need to develop something over other venues. Look for the word venues with other venues. Got it? It's paragraph D, second last line. Okay, I'm reading paragraph D from third last line. Please follow me. This enhanced attractiveness. Found it? Yes. Everyone? Paragraph D, third last line. It's fourth last line. This enhanced attractiveness itself may help to improve the airport operators' financial position and future prospects. But clearly, this will be dependent on the competitive advantage that the airport is able to achieve. Competitive advantage that the airport is able to achieve in comparison with other venues. Airports that supply meeting facilities may need to develop. For may need to develop, they said clearly this will be dependent on competitive advantage that airport is able to achieve. Able to achieve means may need to develop. And what is the answer? Competitive advantage.